It's time for your lesson in triangles.
Time for your lesson in triangles. Triangle, 3 sides, 3 angles. Tri meaning 3. Angles meaning angles. This is an acute triangle. All of these angles are less than 90 degrees. So this could be 60, that could be 60, and that could be 60, which makes it acute. This is an equiangular triangle, which means all of the angles are the same. This could be, so actually there's only one way for it to be 60, 60, 60. 6, 6, 6. This is an obtuse triangle, which means one of the angles is more than 90 degrees. As you can see here, this is more than 90 degrees. This is a right triangle. I don't know if you can see it from where Tori is filming, but it has one right angle, which means that the angle is 90 degrees. The end.
We just learned about angles, so now we're going to learn about sides. An isosceles triangle has 2 congruent sides. So as you can see, these 2 sides are congruent. This is an equilateral triangle. That means that all 3 sides are congruent, as you can see. Equilateral. This is a scalene triangle. None of these sides are congruent. This one's one measure, this one's another measure. That's different measure.
There are many fun things you can do with triangles. For example, solving proofs. As you can see here, these triangles are congruent. How do I know? Well, the side angle side theorem. Look at this. This side and that side are congruent. This angle and that angle are congruent. And this side and that side are congruent. Side and side. Freaking amazing how stuff like that works. Another fun thing you can do with triangles, trigonometry. Now you can only do this with right triangles. As you can see, this is a right triangle because I made it a right triangle. Because I drew the box there. I took the time to do that. Now, components of a right triangle, hypotenuse, right here. The one that is not touching the right angle. What else do we have?
Leg!
And what else do we have?
Another leg!
Look at that, we have 2 legs and a right
2 legs!
triangle.
2 legs!
Just like a human has 2 legs.
2 legs.
So, say you want to find this. Well, how do you find that? Take this angle.
You may ask.
Yeah, you might ask. You might really not.
You might not ask. It depends.
Take this angle right here, 54. Opposite over hypotenuse. I'm pretty sure that's sine. Don't do that. Sine is opposite. So this leg over the hypotenuse. Over a. Oh wait, I did this wrong.
Yeah.
Sine 54 equals the leg. The opposite leg, not the adjacent one, the opposite one over the hypotenuse. Stop doing that. Multiply each side by 8. You can't see. Times 8. Plug that in your calculator, and you have your answer.
Time to learn your trig functions. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So, cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. Ka. Tangent, opposite over adjacent. Toa. So what do you get from that? So
This is how you're
toa. Say it with me. So toa. One more time. So toa.
These are some real world examples of a triangle. The pool thing. To rack your balls. The pool rack, I guess, is what you would call it.
A half of a sandwich when you cut it in triangles.
Not when you cut it into a rectangle.
But when you cut it
diagonally into a triangle.
2 triangles.
Bridges sometimes are made out of triangles because they're very supportive.
The yield sign you see on the road.
It really catches your eye so you can yield. Pyramids, like the ancient Egyptians used to build. Those are made out of triangles.
Triangles!
Right there,
triangles. A triangle.
Triangle like the musical instrument one, not
just
a normal triangle.
I totally get it.
Here we have a small multiple choice quiz to review all the stuff that you learned today. If you didn't learn anything, well, it sucks for you. Wow. What is this? It's not scalene.
See, you were wrong. It's not right.
You're wrong again. 50% chance of getting it right. Whoops, you got it wrong. It's an equilateral triangle. What? You can tell, because these will
It
have
has
marks.
3 congruent sides.
Next question.
What is this?
Is this a right triangle? Is it an obtuse triangle? Is it a slender man? Or is it a pregnant triangle?
I
Well, sorry to crush your dreams of becoming a mathematician, but it is not a right triangle.
wonder. It's also not Slenderman.
Now, is it a pregnant triangle or is it obtuse? Tough question. Well, this does look like it's got a little bit of a bulge there, but I'm sorry to crush your dreams.
It's not pregnant.
It's not a pregnant
It
triangle.
will not be having a smaller triangle.
Now you can tell this is an obtuse triangle because this angle right here is more than 90 degrees. It's amazing how math works. It's right here. Where are proofs? Dude, where's proofs? Dude, where's proofs? Where's proofs? Dude, where's proofs? Where's proofs? Oh, we can do something like that.